friends, welcome to HP Homestyle Cooking. I hope you all are doing good and great and safe. Today we're going to see my favorite snack, veggie rice flour vada. I really love this snack.
Hi friends, I hope all are doing good and safe. Actually my daughter wanted to do the voiceover, so she just gave the intro, and today I came up with a very easy and yummy snack recipe. It's deep fry, or even you can even fry it in the dosa tawa also. There's no necessity to deep fry also. It is rice flour vada, and I have included even veggies also, finely chopped veggies, which is very tastier and soft and crispier too. And if you see in this video, I have used this chopper for cutting my vegetables. It does my job very fast. If you want to cut it very fine, you can use this one. It's Bewilder Chop Wizard. If you want to make some gravies, if you want to cut the tomatoes, onions, capsicums, all those, it will be very helpful, this one. That is like if you want to prepare in more quantity. So let's have a quick look at the ingredients. The veggies I've used here is carrot, onion, green chili, curry leaves. You can even use coriander. So I haven't had the other day, so I haven't used it. So I have grated the carrot as seen in the video, and onions. If you see, this is how I chopped. It just took only less than 5 minutes. So it's very easy for me to, and moreover if you use the chopper, everything will be evenly chopped. And I have coarse grind chili and curry leaf in the mixie jar. Oil I have used for deep fry, and I'll be using hot oil to mix in the flour to make a good batter to prepare vada. Chili powder, it's up to you. I've already added green chilies, so you can add 1 teaspoon is more than enough, and salt as required for the dough. And soaked moong dal. You can even use soaked moong dal and chana dal for this vada. It will taste great. So I have added the version of soaked moong dal. You can soak it for around 1 hour, that's enough. Moong dal gets soaked very easily. Rice flour, for this I have used around 3 cups of rice flour. So it yielded me around 30 vadas. So I'm just showing you the video which has the grinded chili curry leaf in pulse mode. And the important notes are mentioned in the description of the YouTube video. If you go to my channel, for all the videos, recipes, there's notes and ingredients, everything. So let's have a look at the dough preparation. Add onions in a wide bowl. Make sure you take a wide bowl so that you'll have enough room to mix evenly. Add grinded chili and curry leaf. Add one by one, and grated carrot. Mainly the kids also will like this, and even these veggies are also included. Add required salt. The important thing we're adding salt over here is it will actually release moisture from this veggies, which in turn this moisture will be useful for mixing the rice flour. So we don't add much of water. If you are adding much of water, it will actually make the vadas hard. So add little hot oil so that the vada will be soft and crispy. And you have to mix it well with your hands nicely, crumble it and rest it for 20 minutes so that water will be released from this one. So later, once the water is out, we can use this water for mixing the dough. So as seen in the video, I'm just going to rest it for 20 minutes. Once that is done, you can add the soaked moong dal. Later you can add the rice flour too. If needed, you can just add, after that I just added, I think around 3 to 4 teaspoons of water. I have used warm water for this, not the cold water, just warm water for this. Very less water, because that much of water is released from the veggies, which is added salt to that. So as seen, I'm just adding little oil, little warm water if required. So it should be a tight dough. It shouldn't be watery. If the dough is watery, what happens when you fry it? It'll turn out hard. And you can even fry it on the dosa tawa. Not necessarily you have to deep fry it. Now the batter is almost ready to make vadas. It's a simple recipe, you can prepare in no time. There's no soaking process and all like dals. So take a medium sized dough in your hand and do as shown in the video. You can even have a banana leaf instead of a Ziploc bag. I just had that, so I'm just using that. So when the oil is medium hot, you can just repeat the same process for all the rest of the dough. And this is a perfect snack even for rainy season also. It will be very crispy and yummy. You can pair it up with coffee or tea also. So make sure it is deep fried on both sides evenly. Flip it on both sides. Once one side is done, you can flip it on the other side, and you can repeat the same process for the rest of the dough. I hope everyone will like this recipe. I find it useful. Yummy vada is almost done and ready to serve. It's a favorite snack in my whole family, and my daughter is a fan of this. She likes to eat this snack vada. Yummy veggie rice flour vada is ready. So do check out more recipes and videos in my channel HB Homestyle Cooking. Thank you for watching. Bye. Be safe.